welcome back to day 3 of unboxing the 15 Days of Beatles Socks Advent Calendar. So far, day 1 was Abbey Road, day 2 was like Beatles logo socks, one of the earlier 60s logos that they used. So let's find out what's behind door number 3. We've got another green heart, so is it going to be short socks again? Because I'm wondering, is there a code here with the doors? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that would add up. I think we know where the tall socks are. So this should, if I'm correct, be a shorter pair. But beyond that, I have no guesses whatsoever as to what we're going to get in this one. So I've got to punch out that door. Come on. They should really... Oop! Broken nail. That sucked. They should really perforate these a little better, just saying. Because they're always like such a bitch to get apart. Come on, open, says me. Alright. Where are we? Oh. Stuff from the other side slid over. Let's not do this wrong. Okay. So I believe if this is correct, alright, these should be for 3. Yeah, the other one slid over. That's what happened there. Okay, so this time the color actually did correlate with the color of the socks. We got green ones, and these, oh, how cute. They've got the little apples on them, and they have both the Beatles and Apple written on them in like the cursive writing, kind of like around the time of like the Hey Jude album, like the Get Back single, stuff like that. They were starting to use this writing. Here we can see kind of what I'm talking about. Yeah. Let's show the other one, because that one, it looks like they cut it on a weird bias for that one. Let's look at this one. Yeah, this one I think is... Actually... Okay, up here is like the only spot that has Beatles in the full word, because like it's like the B-E-A, the B, the B. Hey Beatrice, look, they made socks for you. But they're cute. They're cute. So far, out of the 3 that I've opened, probably my least favorite so far. But I mean, they're not bad. I like them. I like the little apple motifs. Green socks are cool. It gives me something to wear for St. Patty's Day. I tossed them behind me. Gives me something to wear for St. Patty's Day that is also Beatles, so can't complain. Not bad. Always happy to have Beatles anything, so I'll take it. So, do we have any predictions on what's going to be behind door number 4? Place your bets today. Leave them in the comments, and we'll see if they're correct tomorrow or whenever I actually get around to filming that. Hopefully actually tomorrow. So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And by the way, speaking of my Etsy, I hit my 2,000th sale milestone today. 10 years in, 2,000 sales down. I'm a proud girl today, so just wanted to share that. But anyway, guys, if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.